Imagine if the boring part of editing just took care of themselves. This is AutoCut, a powerful AI plugin that I've actually been using for the past 2 weeks. And honestly, it helps me create this exact video and upload it ahead of schedule. Today, I'll show you where AutoCut helps me in my workflow. This is my raw voice recording. And as you know, you need a lot of takes to record a better version, and that leaves a lot of silences. So we need to cut them away. That's actually the first thing I used AutoCut for. To open it, go to Window, then Extension, and it's pop up. So right here, you can see all the features you can use in AutoCut. To cut out the silences, open up AutoCut Silences, then define your section. You have 3 options here: in and out point, a selected clip, or your entire timeline. For me, I use entire timeline. Then uncheck the other audio tracks you don't need and click Validate. Here, you can generate the entire preview. Now you can see your whole audio and where the silences are. To set the noise threshold, just click Calculate. There you go. Now everything under -42 dB will be cut away. For the silences, you can remove, keep, or mute them. Removing them will save you time. And the best thing is you can also add transition, like a G-cut or L-cut. And those two are good transition. But for this one, I'll keep transition off. Now for the preset. It's follow your editing style. If you are calm, you can choose that style. For me, I'm a little bit energetic, sometimes jumpy. So I choose energetic. And that makes even the small silences get cut. Alright, when you're done, click Cut and delete silences. And boom, look at that. When I saw this for the first time, I was honestly shocked. Doing this manually will normally take me at least 2 hours. And it will completely drain my energy. Why? Because it's boring, to be honest. Just to show you the difference, this is me doing it manually versus AutoCut. Look at that, it takes 19 seconds. It is definitely worth it. Now let's hear it. Most editors know how to cut. Very few know why they're cutting. And that's the difference between an edit that feels random is perfect. By the way, you can try AutoCut for free by clicking the link down below. For tool number 2, the name tells you the meaning. AutoCut Repeat. And you know, when you are recording, you say anything. Sometimes you repeat it 10 times just to nail one sentence. So for this tool, you can cut all of that down in a second. Just like with silences, pick a section. I'm going for the entire timeline again. Then disable the other tracks you don't need and click Validate section. Next, select the language. There is a lot to choose from. Arabic, French, I don't know what language you speak, but I'm keeping it on English. And if you want, you can upload a reference script. This is optional, but it helps. Now the video is transcribing and it takes us to another step. Okay, once it's done, you can review, and as you can see, it's already deleted a lot of repeated sentences and words. If a word marked for deletion, but you don't want it to be deleted, just highlight it to undo that. And if you want to add a word for deletion, you do the same thing, just highlight it. Once you're happy with it, click Cut and let it do its thing. Man, this is so useful. You don't need to hear yourself repeating the same sentence 10 times when editing. And now after we're finishing with the cut, let's add caption. We all know manually creating subtitles and caption takes forever. Luckily, with Auto Caption, you can automatically add animated subtitle to your whole video in a second. As always, define your section first. I'm using the entire timeline to show you how fast it makes caption for 5 minutes of audio. Select your language and then you can choose from many styles in the preset. After that, open the Edit Style panel and here where you see the magic, you can change basically anything. Let's start with the font. I'll use my favorite, Montserrat, and you can change the color too, white or black. Choose any color you want. You also get to change the animation. Imagine that. And you have full freedom here. You can change the color, stop the floating text, or you can keep it, set a box color, adjust the size of it, and also the roundness, and change the transition. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can format it however you want. You can add a glow, even a stroke outline, and manipulate the text box however you like. Make it big, change the opacity, anything you need. After that, you can change the position and the size of the caption. It It's fully customizable. Then you review the transcript and you're good to go. Click add caption and look at that. 41 seconds. And it saves me 47 minutes. And to be honest, I think 47 minutes is a little bit low. For me, take me 2 hours at least. This is the best tool, I swear to God. I'm not hyping it up, it's all fact. Every editor needs this. The next one is so useful. It's Auto Chapter. Especially for me as a content creator, this automatically detects chapter in your video. Select the entire timeline and disable the audio track you don't need. Make sure the text file option is checked. You know why. And you can change the language if you need, then click generate. It didn't take any time. And as you can see, it did create chapter with perfection. You can choose a marker color to appear in the timeline and click add. Boom. Look at that. Super cool. And it's in the project now. You'll get the text file. You can copy and paste straight into your YouTube video script. Easy. And this is also useful. After you finish your edit, sometimes your client say some bad words and they are not good for the community guideline, you know. And if you want to mute them, it takes so much time. So with this tool, Auto Profanity Filter, you can auto filter it. Select the entire timeline and disable the audio tracks you don't need. Select the language and go to the next step. First, you can select mute or beep sound. And also you can add your own sound if you have one. After that, you can type a specific word. My script doesn't have anything, so let's just type cut. And look at that, it detects that I said it 23 times. And now you can click on remove profanity. Look at that, it's muted with ease. This is super helpful. Check out the link below to download and try AutoCut for free or to get 20% off. So thank you AutoCut for sponsoring this video, and honestly, with this tool I can finally live up to my name, your fast editor. And as always, stay creative and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!